That was a big one.
That was a big one, and it cleared the water by.
So you sure you chose him to go fishing with, hey? Yikes. Desperate.
Hey, no, he's already caught how many, but then he's lost more.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, do it here. Well, we are here once again on the mighty Red River. Behind us is the mighty Jeremy Santos and his nephew. We're gonna see if we can outfish him today. It's just a fun day going for some cats. We're gonna get a couple lines in. Today we're gonna be using shrimp. I don't know, let's see how it goes. There we go, got one. Oh, he's off. You say exercise ring closed?
Yeah, I'm fishing.
Jesus.
You tagged me, you fool? What did you put?
Oh, got one, I think. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's... I think it's just the current. Got him. Well, it's fat. It is fat. What do you think? 33 and a half. Big bugger. All right, well, that was really close to him. Astro was a big fat one. I'd like to thank Jeremy for that spot. He's making me say that, so. So for catfishing, we are using these Eagle Claw catfish rigs. These are a 6/0, and yeah, they work really, really well. They are pretty heavy duty, which is definitely gonna help with some of the tanks that we're gonna pull in, but just make sure you pinch the barbs. I'm using a good old Zebco Stinger. I think it was like 60 bucks from Cabela's. This one is a medium heavy. It is an 8-foot. The only thing is this lure weight is supposed to be 1 to 3 ounces. We are only, well, I'm using a 3 ounce right now, but usually in the river when it's really, really high, you could use anywhere between 3, 4, even 6 ounces. So it is a little bit underpowered for what we're supposed to be using for, but I mean, hey, so far it's worked pretty well. Oh, is Callie gonna get one? Oh.
Felt it break off.
Yeah. Callie hasn't had that much luck with catfishing yet. Yep, 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 yep. There we go, Callie is on.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Put your hand higher up. No, your other hand? Yeah, there you go. This will be interesting. This is Callie's first, well, not first, but bigger cat that she has had in a while. And it could also be not the biggest, but it's the current. They fight against the current pretty good. Bruises? Yep. All right, Callie, bring her in. Let's go 1 for 1 here. Let's see that weight. Look at those arms. Wait till it runs and goes zzz. Oh. Come on, let's get her. Let's get her.
This rod is almost too long.
Reel it in quite a bit. Reel it in and then pull. And then do the same thing. Reel it in quite a bit and then pull. Come on, Callie.
Sorry.
Reeling?
I'm not a fan of this rod.
I got her.
Sorry, that was no help on my end.
No, that's okay. Like I said, it makes a little bit of difference when you have quite a bit current, right? So it's really hard. You gotta go way tight in the front. You'll feel their heavy bone, yeah.
29 and a half.
29 and a half, pretty close, but that's a good one for Callie. You wanna give a good show to the camera? If you can. Anyway, that's what she got. And Jeremy just lost one. This break sponsored by Aha! Bubbly peach.
It's not bubbly.
Peach and honey? Ugh. I don't like honey. Yep.
There it is.
One stab.
This one's definitely not as big.
No. Yeah. There you go. Oh, sorry. Oh, 25.
25.
Want to show the camera? 25. And these are the kind of cats that you can literally catch all day on the Red River by Lockport. Pretty simple setup. Put some rods in the water, get a big 3-4 ounce weight, whatever's gonna hit the bottom. We're just using shrimp on a catfish rig, 6/0 hook. That's how you do it.
Really stinky shrimp. But
Little stinky shrimp. One of the biggest advice I ever got for catfishing is take your bait and leave it outside for a good day or so. You may not want to touch it, but it works. That was a big
that
one.
was a big one, and it cleared the water by a couple feet.
Hopefully I might have been able to catch that on the camera. Hopefully I did. What are you guys doing over there? What are you doing over there?
Looking for fish?
Oh, is he on one? You guys are in for a rare sight. Oh. Jeremy catching fish on his own boat. Oh, looks pretty good. Doesn't look too bad. Give it a turn this way. There we go. Beauty.
It's amazing, his stinky shrimp. Got one?
Doesn't feel.
How far out did you have that?
It's gonna be a while.
I don't think it's that big. Ready?
Pulling like big.
Oh, she's fat. Real fat. This is a chunker. Nice 31 and a half.